Oh well, that
will be enough.
That's a nice mullet you got, Jason. We're at the Mississippi. I had the net in my mouth. We're gonna fish the end of the world. We're catching bait. Did better than me. You want to know where this is? It actually is posted on Google Maps as the end of the world. And of course, it's in New Orleans. Google Map, end of the world, New Orleans. Whatever. Alright, gotta get down to the end of the levee. Hence why they call it the end of the world. Oh, it's hot today. No dogs today. We both left the dogs at home because they were under a heat advisory, and we just wanted to come out this afternoon and torture ourselves, spend an hour fishing for cats. But it's too hot for dogs and they're too hot for me. Index had it like 110 today. Alright, got my cut bait on. I'm gonna try and cast without catching the willows. There we go, not too bad. This is like first week of August. Well, this is Sunday, so we're coming up at the end of the first week of August. We're at the beginning of the second week. Forgive me, I'm cooking here. There's a lot of current out there. River's really high still. It's peaked last week, but it's still high. I'm running 8 ounces of weight and I'm still getting moved. My friend Jason is running 4 ounces and he's getting moved a bit. Getting a tap there, Jason. You might have crabs. Got him, yeah. Ooh. Just a matter of time. I don't want him to wrap me around this willow. He's trying to come around this willow. The willow out in the water. You should see him at any time. He's up in that tree. He's got me wrapped around something. I can't do anything with him. Let's see if he can get himself out. Ah! Dang! What happened? Ah! Line broke. He broke me off. Dang it!
That looks like a nice one.
It was a nice one. This pole slammed down while I was getting out my headlamp. We're not going to let him go up in the willows this time. Oh, he's trying to... Whoa! I'm tripping over your stuff, sorry. He should be up near you. There he is. Good size. It's a nice size one. About lost the pole with this one. All right. It's a nice big blue. Look at that big orange cyst on him. Nice big head. Sound like a little baby.
Yeah, at least 25 pounds, maybe 30.
We're gonna put him on the scale and see.
What is that?
Oh, it's some kind of
Scar?
cyst or something, or I don't know.
It's a nice cat.
Should look where I hooked his bottom lip there. Could have locked him easy peasy out there, but that barb hung on. Let's see, the scale goes up to 50. Whoa. 25. 25, yeah, you're just about on the money there. Well,
It's more like 27.
more like 27, yeah. Once he settles down, it settles to 27.
Pretty long though. Usually not a lot of fat for this one. I've seen one smaller than that, so a little bit fatter.
Well, let's see what he is, what his length is. Oh yeah, it's gonna be 38 and a quarter about. Well, I'll say, we'll call that 38.
Nice.
You wanna hold him up for us, Jason?
Sure.
He's farting out the mouth, making funny noises. It's nice. I could keep him if I wanted, but I think I might let this one go. What is this? What's going on with you right there, buddy? You got one like that there, and another one like that there. Lesions of some sort. Nasty old big old fish, aren't you? Want to go back home? I'm gonna keep one maybe tonight. One a little prettier than this guy. There he goes. Well, as you can see, we just hit 9 o'clock. Not bad results for a 4-hour session as a towboat coming in. See the light? Had a few bites in the last few minutes. Lost one. Got a 27-pounder up here on the bank. And I'm sick of doing the Morris dance, so I'm going to pull everything in, and it's not this is serious time. Last fish on. Right as I said, see you next time. He's out there boiling. He's hitting the top. Last fish. We're last minute fish is at that too. We got to keep him out of the willows. It's a bucket over here, Jason. Jason took a shit somewhere this way. I don't want to step in it. Oh, he's got some strength. Look at that. Tip is bent down. Ooh! He's out there splashing. I don't know where he is. He's in front of this tree, Jason. Oh, good. He's in front of us now? Man, my phone is blowing up. Someone's sending me a novel worth of text. I'm gonna get my phone off the ground before I smash it. Ooh, I hear him. Another nice size one? Yeah. We'll let him net it for us. You probably can't see that. He's got it in the net. Ooh, look at that white belly. He looks about the same size, don't he?
A little smaller.
A little smaller? I might take that one home if he's healthy looking. Oh, he's got the same lesions. Or no, that's not a lesion, that's a scar. And he's got all kinds of weird stuff on him. Hardly ever catch a pristine cat out of here. There's always something funky about him. Alright, we're gonna unhook him and weigh him and all that good stuff, and I'll figure out if he's going home to his or to mine. Check out the hook set. I mean, where is the hook? Oh, right in the top lip. Look at that. Oh, side, corner of the mouth. Just hanging in there by a thread. You might have to get some tools out for this one. Dang, it was in there. Yeah, he's not too bad looking. These are scars. And look at these scars right here. You went up against something down there, didn't you, buddy? Nice blue cat. Well, let's see what he weighs and all that good stuff.
21?
Yep, 21. Alright, so it's his lucky night. I really don't feel like dealing with him. Just gonna let him go. It's just nice to catch a couple of big ones. Have a good one, buddy. Let's get you aerated. Pull him back and forth till he... There he goes. This is truly. See you next time. All right?